Hi dear students, now we will discuss IIT Advanced 2025 paper 1 physics solution. This is question number 3. The question is given like this: x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. One square loop is there, conducting square loop, that is rotating about the x-axis. One edge of the square loop is connected or hinged with the x-axis like this. Okay. Initially at t equal to 0, the square loop, conducting loop in the xz plane. The magnetic field is along the positive z direction, and magnetic field is available when y is greater than or equal to 0. Remaining places magnetic field is 0. So magnetic field is exist only here when y is greater than or equal to 0. This full region, the direction of the magnetic field is towards the positive z direction. Here the square loop, conducting loop, is rotating about x-axis in clockwise direction. When you are seeing from the x-axis direction, the square loop is rotating clockwise direction. What is the question? Find the pattern of induced EMF in the square loop. Means we have to plot the graph induced EMF in the square loop with time. That is the question. Okay. The basic formula: the flux through this square loop phi is equal to BA cos omega t plus theta. Theta is phase constant here. When t equal to 0, the square loop is in xz plane. So this area, this area is along this direction. Means this is the direction of the magnetic field. This will be the, you see, this is the direction of area. Area of the square loop is when t equal to 0 like this. This direction. Magnetic field is this direction. What is the angle between them? It is minus 90. Why it is minus 90? Because this direction I have taken. If it is along this direction, it is positive. So along this direction, the theta is minus 90 degrees. Okay. For the z-axis, left side is negative, right side is positive. That is why theta equal to minus 90. Now you substitute phi, flux is equal to BA cos omega t minus 90. Cos minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. So what you can do? You can write cos 90 minus omega t also. Cos 90 minus omega t, sin omega t. So you will get BA sin omega t. But B is not a constant. B is changing with time. It is given like this: B is equal to B naught cos omega t along positive z direction. So I can substitute this here. Magnitude I will substitute. That is B naught cos omega t. So B naught cos omega t, A sin omega t sin omega t. So cos omega t sin omega t multiplied divided by 2. 2 sin omega t cos omega t divided by 2 I am doing. So this is nothing but sin 2 omega t. So you can write B naught A sin 2 omega t by 2. So flux is equal to B naught into A area sin 2 omega t divided by 2. Induced EMF formula. Here one more information also given. Neglect self inductance of the square loop and gravity also. That is also given information. Now you see the induced EMF E is equal to minus d phi by dt. This one. E is equal to minus d phi by dt. So what you will get? Minus b naught a cos 2 omega t. Here again you differentiate, you will get 2 omega by 2. 2 cancel. I will get the equation for induced EMF E is equal to minus b naught a omega cos 2 omega t. This is the equation. Simply you plot the graph. How? We can plot like this. For omega t equal to 0, what does it mean? Omega t equal to 0 matlab, so this angle is 0 matlab, and t equal to 0, that is nothing but, so this square loop was in xz plane, that is the starting time. So omega t equal to 0, the t will be 0, that time you substitute here t equal to 0, cos 0 is 1, so minus b naught a omega. So t value and induced EMF value. Here t value 0, induced EMF is minus b naught a omega. Okay. So one more angle you take, because it is continuously rotating, no? Omega t is equal to pi by 4 you take, 45 degree it is rotated. Then time equal to pi by 4 omega. You substitute omega t is equal to pi by 4. So omega t is pi by 4 into 2 pi by 2. Cos 90 is 0. So EMF is 0. So next it is rotating continuously. Omega t is equal to pi by 2. Time is pi by 2 omega. So induced EMF is equal to pi by 2 omega. If you substitute, what you will get here? Pi by 2. You will get pi. Cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. Minus into minus plus. So b naught a omega you will get. So some two angles will take. Omega t is equal to 3 pi by 4. Time is equal to 3 pi by 4 omega. Induced EMF is 0. Then last angle omega t is equal to 180 degrees. Why I am telling it is last? I will tell you. T equal to pi by omega, epsilon is equal to epsilon. Induced EMF is equal to minus b naught a omega. So these values you can take on y-axis, time on x-axis. So why omega t is equal to pi is the last angle? Because after pi what happens? There is no magnetic field, no? Here you see this is rotating, initially starting from the xz plane, 90 degrees mein it will come in xy plane, after 180 degrees it will go minus xz plane. So this magnetic field is exist only in this region. If it is rotating from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, it will be in the magnetic field. So this loop will be within the magnetic field for omega t. If it is rotating from here, if you take this angle omega t equal to 0 to 180 degree only, this loop is inside the magnetic field. So magnetic flux is changing. After pi, after 180 degrees, this loop will go like this. It will rotate and it will come like this. So it will be out of the magnetic field. Once it is out of the magnetic field, that is after 180 degrees, there is no magnetic field, there is no magnetic flux, there is no change in magnetic flux. That is why EMF is 0. There is no graph. After again 360 degrees, again it will next round. So it will continue like this, continue like this. So after I am plotting the graph like this, it looks time, x-axis time you take, t equal to 0 minus b naught a omega. At pi by 4 omega you will get 0, pi by 2 omega you will get plus b naught a omega. At 3 pi by 4 omega it will be 0, at pi by omega it will be 0. After that here there is no nothing, here it is 0, you can write it is 0. In this zone there is no induced EMF in the loop. After that it will repeat. So option A is correct. This question is easy only. I thought you understood. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get the notifications for further uploads of my videos. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye bye. Tata. Enjoy preparation of IIT.